Hello and welcome to this video in which we will do some examples of finding the mean, median, and mode. And to do these examples, we're going to use regular playing cards, and we're just going to flip those over and look at the mean, median, mode of the numbers that we end up getting. So quick recap about what mean, median, and mode are. Mean means average, median means middle, and mode means most, the thing that shows up the most. And these things help us communicate something about the numbers that we see in a data set. So, for example, let's take 5 numbers like this that I just drew at random and see what we end up getting. So, for the mean, we need to find the average of all of these numbers. And so, for the average, we will go 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 7. And since there's 5 of these, we are going to divide this by 5. And so now let's find the mean of these numbers. So again, we'll go 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 7. And that gives us 21 over 5. Divide by 5. And we get 4.2. That is our mean. Now, for the median, so this is the mean. For the median, we have to make sure that these are listed in numerical order. And right now, they're not listed in numerical order. So let's rearrange them. So an ace, I treated that like a 1. That would go over there. Move my 3s here. Boom. And now they're in numerical order. And I need to find the number that is in the middle. So fortunately, this is 5 numbers. It's an odd set. So right there, 3 is my median because it is in the middle. So 3 is our median. Now the word median actually is kind of cool. If you take a look at it, in the middle you have a D, which is a tall letter with all these other letters that are short. So if you're ever kind of confused about, wait, what's median again? Look at the word. It's embedded in there. It's the middle data point. And then for the mode, we are looking for the thing that pops up the most. Well, we have 2 3s and we have 2 7s. So our mode must be 3 and 7. And there we go. That's how we find mean, median, and mode. If you want, you can stay on and we will do another example, picking another set of numbers and working at it randomly. Okay, so let's get a couple more numbers. This time, let's mix things up and go with 6. So 6, 7, 8, 4, 8, and 10. Ooh, so we got big numbers here. It's going to be fun to work with. That's why I'm using a calculator here so that we don't make any silly mistakes. All right, so the median, or the mean, we have to add them all up to go with 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 10 plus 8. And this time we divide this by 6 because there are 6 numbers. So we go 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 10 plus 8. That's all I need to do. That gives me 43. And I'll be dividing this by 6. 43 divided by 6. And I have 7.16 repeating. And so there's my mean. I'll write that in right there, mean. And for the median, I need the middle one. Now this is where things get interesting. I have an even set of numbers. Now first I need to arrange these in numerical order, which is simple enough. Just do it like that. All right. Now the thing is, I have 2 groups of 3. These are my 2 middle numbers, and then these are everything else. If you have an even set of data points, the median is the mean of the middle 2. So my median is going to equal 7 plus 8 over 2, which is 15 over 2, which is 7.5. And so that's my median. And then for mode, again, I want to see what popped up the most. And in this case, the mode was 8. That's a horrible 8. Let me rewrite that. There we go. 8. So again, another example of how to find mean, median, and mode. Hopefully now you have a good understanding of what it is you need to do to find these things, and of what they are is just expressing data. So the mean is the average, the median, what's in the middle, the mode, what appears the most. These are quick snapshots of what's happening with some data.